Oh, that works a treat, doesn't it? Do you know how, I mean, you're good at controlling it, I can see.
Yeah.
Bit more stressful when you're putting it on a bomb, I suppose, but...
Well, yeah. It's, this is a depot lead. The room lead is a bit too heavy to lift, but it would get it up to as far as that up there.
What is it? Crikey. Yeah. Oh, cool. The 12-volt batteries, is it?
24 volts.
Oh, right, okay.
It's a dual system. The activators are 12, the motors are 24.
Right. As you say, I mean, your thing says, you know, to save some lives, wouldn't it, one of these things?
Every time it goes
Yeah, yeah.
that's the picture of it here. In the centre there, its
Oh,
last
crikey.
day in service.
Oh, crikey.
And then the next picture's further along where it on my garage floor.
Wow.
It'll take me 18 months to more or less get it to near enough.
Yeah.
The interesting thing is all the wires under that thing there are one colour, yellow.
Crikey. Well, well done for persisting.
Yeah. And,
Oh, crikey, okay.
yes.
Suddenly find it's going backwards instead of forwards or whatever. Yeah. Brilliant.
I've often gone in after being in the garage going blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. Well, it's a credit to you. Well done for restoring it. Fantastic. What a noise it makes as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
And just a bit of interest, see the helmets on the table there? That
Yeah.
front? Just try and lift that up.
What, this one?
No,
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. What's it made of, lead? Good God.
He has to wear that
Yeah.
for the longest time known was 5 hours. Not about to,
Yeah.
depending on how long they're out there.
Yeah. God, they were.
He gets looked
Yeah.
after by his number 2.
Right.
Number 2 will look after him, dress him, sort him out,
Crikey. Yeah.
make sure he gets his water.
Yeah. Balls of steel. Yeah. Balls of steel. Fantastic effort, and only want to put that on. All right.
Yeah.
Well, sobering thought, but thank you very much. Awesome. Great.